Hello everyone. How are you all guys? Once again a very warm welcome to you all to your very own channel Let's Crack NEET UG in English. Guys, myself Shada Alok. I've been teaching chemistry at Resonance from past 10 years. Can you see the link over here at the bottom of the screen? Yes. Using this link you can join us on Telegram. So, guys, come on, let me tell you how you can get connected to us. First of all, go to Play Store, download the Unacademy Learning app, and then, guys, then click on to NEET UG and straight away go ahead for the subscription. Guys, you'll be finding two type of subscription. One is plus subscription and the other one is iconic subscription. Guys, under plus subscription you'll be getting daily live classes by the top educators across the nation. Not only that, you can chat with your educator, engage in discussion, ask all your doubt and answer in the poll. These polls are going to have questions related to the topic. Yes, guys, being taught by the educator on the screen. Along with that you'll be getting live test and quizzes. Come on, these are going to evaluate your preparation with regular mock test. And guys, these quizzes are going to have a lot of benefits. Yes, no doubt they are going to add a lot to your academics. They are actually going to give a lot of confidence to you. They will also sharpen your IQ. They are going to minimize your negative marking. And also, guys, by giving your every best in the quizzes you are going to get referral points out of which you can buy any of the courses running at an academy platform of your choice. So guys, you will also get structured course, and all our courses are structured very much in line with exam syllabus, which is definitely going to help you to best prepare for it. So, guys, all by having one subscription, you get access to all our live and recorded courses, which you can watch from the comfort of any of your devices. So, guys, this is all about iconic subscription, which will take your NEET UG preparation to the next level with personal coach. Come on, guys. These personal coach, the top educators across the nation are going to be your personal coach. You are going to get one-on-one guidance from top exam expert as your personal coach in order to align your preparation strategy. So, guys, along with that, you will also get an in depth test analysis with personalized feedback, which will definitely improve your time management and, of course, exam approach. Come on, guys, you will also get a proper study planner. And yes, these study planner are definitely going to enhance your preparation with customized study plan. You're going to get a bi weekly review that will definitely highlight your progress. So, all by having one iconic subscription, you'll be getting live classes from top educator, mock test and quizzes, structured batch course, very much in line with exam syllabus. Now, guys, you must be wondering whether to go for plus subscription or the iconic one, or which one is better. I just want to tell you the difference. Then the choice is all yours. You need to select a subscription that suits you. Come on, guys, whatever you are going to get under plus subscription, you'll be getting all that under iconic subscription. But this iconic subscription is going to have, addition to the plus subscription, it is also going to have personal code study planner, expert guidelines, and of course in-depth test analysis. Yes, guys, let me tell you how much you need to pay for iconic subscription. First of all, under iconic subscription, you can go ahead for 6 months, 12 months, and 24-month subscription. For 6 months, you need to pay 38,000. For 12 months, you need to pay 65,000, and for 2 years, you need to pay 1 lakh. But if you apply this referral code of mine SA10, you'll find that you need to pay only 34,200 for 6 months. 58,500 for 12 months and 24,000, I mean for 90,000. Guys, 90,000 you need to pay for 2 years. I'm sorry, 90,000 you need to pay for 2 years, which is going to cost you only 3,750 rupees. So, guys, don't forget to apply this referral code of mine, and not only to have these discounted prices, but also to have so many things for free. I'm just going to let you know soon. Don't worry. Come on, guys, this is all about the plus subscription on the screen, right? From 1 month to 2 years subscription, you can go ahead with. Come on, all for 6 months, 12 months, and 24-month subscription are available at no cost EMI as well. Guys, for 1 month, you need to pay 7,000. For 3 months, you need to pay 17,500. For 6 months, you need to pay 28,000. For 12 months, you need to pay 38,500. And for 2 years, you need to pay 56,000. Yes, guys, but again, if you apply this referral code of mine, you will have to pay only 6,300 for 1 month, 15,750 for 3 months, 25,200 for 6 months, 34,650 for 12 months, 50,400 for 2 years, which is going to cost you only 2100 rupees per month. Remember, guys, this is going to cost you only 2100 rupees per month. So don't forget to apply this referral code of mine, not only to have these discounted prices, but also to have so many benefits all for free. Guys, you are going to get complete PDF notes for complete chemistry, guys, purely in Hindi, purely in English, and also in English, guys, all for free. Along with that, yes guys, if you apply this referral code of mine, along with that you will also get video on frequently asked doubts of complete chemistry. Along with that, guys, you'll be getting video on practical examination along with the expected Viva question. Come on, this is going to be a very good news for all those who are going to appear for board examination this year. Yes, guys, class 12 student, come on, this is a wonderful news for you all. But, come on, don't forget to apply this referral code of mine SA10. Okay, guys, remember the 6 month, 12 months, and 24-month subscription are also available at no cost EMI. Come on, guys, in continuation to the series started by me. Yes, guys, I've started a series on NCRT solution. This session of mine is one more addition to the same, guys. And yes, guys, we have already started with the topic phenol, alcohol, and ether. It is one more addition to that topic, guys. This is the third session under the topic phenol, alcohol, and ether. Guys, the very first question on the screen, let's have a look here. Draw the structures of all isomeric alcohol of molecular formula C5H12O and give their IUPAC names. Classify the isomer of alcohol in question. Okay, guys. First of all, what we need to do? Can you tell me? Guys, the very first thing which is supposed to be done over here is to find out the degree of unsaturation using this molecular formula. Okay, guys. Okay, is that clear? Clear, guys? Come on, have a look at the screen. Have a look at the screen. Guys, the degree of unsaturation is to be calculated as there are 5 carbon atoms. Therefore, this degree of unsaturation for this molecular formula has to be 2 into 5. Okay, guys. Then plus 2. Guys, this is what? 2 into 5, guys. 5 is number of carbon atom. Can you see the number of carbon atom multiplied by 2? Okay, guys, here number of carbon atom is 5. Therefore, 5 multiplied by 2 plus 2. There is no nitrogen, there is no halogen. Simply the hydrogen will be subtracted from this. There are 12 hydrogen atoms. So it has to be divided by 2. Clear, guys? Is this clear? So this will be 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12, minus 12 upon 2, that is 0. So the degree of unsaturation is 0 over here. All clear? Clear, guys? Degree of unsaturation is 0. Now have a look at the screen, guys. So degree of unsaturation is 0. That means, guys, it will neither be a ring, guys, no ring, no pi bond. Okay, neither a pi bond nor a ring, only the straight chain with branching. Is that clear? The straight chain, I mean open chain, will be there with branching, of course. So let us do this one by one. Come on, guys. The first one is pentane 1-ol. The simple normal chain without any branching will be what? Pentane 1-ol. The IUPAC name of this one is pentane 1-ol without any branching. Like all the 5 carbon atoms are attached with each other in a straight chain. In a straight chain. Is that clear? This is the first isomer, guys. Pentane 1-ol. Now the second one is, guys, pentane 2-ol. Come on, what you need to do, simply switch the position of OH from first to the second carbon atom. We are going to get pentane 2-ol. Guys, OH is present on the second carbon atom. One more possibility, further switch it to the third position, third carbon atom. We are going to get the third isomer, pentane 3-ol. So guys, first, second, and third one are very easy. Okay, what we have done over here, we simply switch the position of OH from first position to second one and from second to third one. Is that clear? Clear, guys? Come on, have a look at the screen now. So what we are doing, guys, for the fourth isomer, what we are doing, We are simply in the straight chain, we are simply bringing this CH3 carbon at this position. Guys, this CH3, this hydrogen, the hydrogen which is attached over here will switch over here and CH3 will come over here. And we are going to get, guys, one, two. We are going to get 2 methyl butane 1 all. Done. What else we can do? Come on, guys, this CH3 can be further shifted over here. And in order to do that, what we need to do, simply bring one hydrogen from here to here. And this CH3 will switch over to this carbon. Clear? Is this clear? Guys, this is very, very easy. No need to be no need to get confused over here. Okay, this is one of the method. I will tell you one more method. Okay, don't worry. So guys, what you need to do is simply switch this hydrogen from here to here, this position, and CH3 will come this side. So this will be 3-methyl butane 1 all done. Now guys, now this has to be what we have done, what we need to do over here, guys. In this case, this structure will remain same. Done. Now you need to move OH. So what we have done in this case, guys, this OH is brought at this carbon, whereas this H will shifted over here. So we are going to get one more isomer as 2-methyl butane 2 all. Done. Now guys, now next what we can do, simply switch this OH from here to here. Okay, but in order to ensure, you need to ensure that each time you are switching a particular group, each time you must have a different structure. Clear? Clear, guys? Now what else you can do here, guys, this OH is present at this, we can shift this CH3 from this carbon to this one, and this hydrogen in return will go to this carbon. Done. Clear hai? Clear hai, guys? Come on, have a look at the screen for one more method. What you need to do is, guys, keep on, come on, du has to be calculated first of all. As du over here is 0, so neither a ring nor a pi bond. Done. Come on, guys, so it is there that all the carbon chain are present in open chain form. Done. So what you need to do, draw all possible carbon skeleton. Done. So the first one is simply the straight chain. All done. Then simply add OH. Then the second one, what you can do is bring this OH from first to second position, and then you need to first you draw all possible different carbon skeleton, and then you need to complete the valency. Clear? Come on, guys, have a look at the screen. What else we can do? Shift this OH further to this one. So second possible carbon skeleton will have OH over here. Is that clear? Clear, guys? Now, what else you can do, guys? Simply after that, keep branching the carbon now. Done. So what we did, using this structure, bring this carbon. Guys, this 4 carbon will be, this structure is further, can be written as this way. All clear? Clear, guys? This 4 carbon are in this way. This one more carbon will come over here. All clear? Then instead of this, instead of carbon being present at this position, it can be brought over here. It will be like this. All clear? Done, guys. Now simply after that, simply switch the C and OH from each other. And then once more, what you need to do, then shift this CH3, guys, CH3 from here to here. This H, I mean this wala H will go from this carbon to this carbon. Okay, guys, so first of all, always remember that you need to calculate degree of unsaturation. And then guys, you will get a clear-cut idea whether the compound is going to have a ring or a pi bond or simply open chain. Okay, and in this case du was 0, therefore it cannot be a ring nor a pi bond as possible over here. What else like we can have over here? We can have the open chain that can be in the straight form and also in the branching form. Done? Clear? Come on, let us have a look at the next question then. Explain why propanol has higher boiling point than that of hydrocarbon butane. hydrocarbon, butane, or any kind of hydrocarbon, or the corresponding hydrocarbon. The question can be like propanol or the like propane. Guys, remember, hydrocarbons are containing only carbon and hydrogen, CXHY. They're simply what? Hydrocarbon. They're simply the compound consisting of carbon and hydrogen. There is no possibility of founding hydrogen bond amongst them, because hydrogen bond is something which is present between hydrogen and one of the electronegative element of periodic table, like nitrogen, oxygen. Is that clear? Fluorine, chlorine. Okay, guys. Okay, is that clear? Therefore, guys, in case of propanol, as OH bond is there, guys, means what? Oxygen is there. Over here, oxygen is there. So what is the scenario here? Guys, oxygen of one molecule is hydrogen bonded to hydrogen of another molecule. Okay, okay. And because of this hydrogen bond, it brings the propanol molecule much closer to each other. And guys, during boiling, we need to supply heat. In fact, more heat, guys. We need to supply more heat to bring them apart. Okay, heat is supplied. More heat is supplied to bring the molecule apart. Is supplied to bring the molecule further apart. All done. Whereas in case of hydrocarbon, guys, there is like this, in this case, like hydrogen bonding, guys. Hydrogen bonding is present as intermolecular force of attraction. And in case of hydrocarbon, guys, the intermolecular force of attraction is simply what? It is simply intermolecular force of attraction is simply, guys, it is simply van der Waals force of attraction, which is much weaker than hydrogen bond. Therefore, guys, in order to boil propanol, more temperature is required so that the vapor pressure becomes equal to external pressure or the atmospheric pressure in case of normal boiling point. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Here, the intermolecular force amongst the molecule of propanol is hydrogen bond, which is much stronger than the hydrocarbon, where it is simply van der Waals force of attraction, which is much weaker, can be easily broken down. Guys, it is much weaker than hydrogen bonding and can be easily broken down at a lower temperature only. Clear? Come on. Let's go ahead for the next question then. Alcohols are comparatively more soluble in water than hydrocarbons of comparable molecular mass. Come on, guys, the same hydrogen bond is responsible for the same. Come on, guys, in this case also the hydrogen bonding is actually responsible. Remember, for any compound, yes, guys, for any compound to be soluble in water, it has to be polar, because water is a polar solvent. Guys, water is a polar solvent. Why polar? Because the difference in, guys, the electronegativity of hydrogen is 2.1, whereas that of oxygen is 3.5. The difference in electronegativity of hydrogen and oxygen is, guys, 3.5 minus 2.1, that is 1.4. Guys, it is much more in order to form the bond, or in order to make the bond polar. And remember, polar is this is a polar solvent, and polar solvent are going to dissolve polar molecules. Okay, okay, guys. Whereas in case of alcohol are comparatively more soluble, because, guys, no doubt it is slightly polar because OH is there, but guys, it has a tendency to form hydrogen bonds with water. Anything which can form hydrogen bond with water can also get dissolved in water very easily. For example, guys, sugar molecule, they are not polar, but they are soluble in water because they can form hydrogen bond with that of water molecule. Same here. Whereas hydrocarbons, guys, they do not form such hydrogen bonding with water molecule, therefore they are insoluble. Clear? Come on, let us have a look at the next question now. Explain why orthonitrophenol is more acidic than orthomethoxyphenol. Done, guys? Done. Explain why orthonitrophenol is more acidic than orthomethoxyphenol. Come on, guys. If we talk about acidic means, let us see how does it behave after losing the proton. Guys, this is orthonitrophenol. After losing this proton, this forms ortho, yes, nitrophenoxide. Guys, remember this NO2 group is strongly, yes, is going to have strong minus M effect, guys, minus R, minus M. We do show this by minus M or minus R, they are seen. Guys, it is a strong electron withdrawing group. And such, like presence of such electron withdrawing group, yes, in this phenoxide ion are going to stabilize this negative charge on oxygen much more. Okay, why? Because why? Let me tell you, guys, this OH is there. Now, as guys, this is going to have minus M effect. So what happens? This draw this pi bonded electron towards itself, which in return try to draw this lone pair of electron towards itself, which in return going to keep, going to make or create a positive charge on this oxygen. And oxygen being much more electronegative, the positive charge is not at all going to be stabilized over there. So in return, this is going to attract this bonded pair of electron towards itself, and will furnish the release of this proton easily. Okay, guys. Okay, so it is all the NO2 group, guys. It is all the NO2 group which is going to make the release of proton further easier, because NO2 group is going to stabilize the phenoxide ion, because it is a strong electron withdrawing group. And one more thing, guys, this phenoxide ion is further stabilized by, guys, this phenoxide ion so formed is further, this nitrophenoxide ion so formed is further stabilized by, further it is going to get stabilized by resonance. Clear? Done. Now, guys, now let us see the scenario of orthomethoxyphenol. Guys, orthomethoxyphenol, there is a lone pair. They are known to have plus M effect. Any group, guys, with a lone pair or negative charge, if they are in resonance with pi bond or present alternate to pi bond, they will be in resonance. Clear, guys? Therefore, as it is a plus M group, guys, what happens once the proton is so formed, released? Once the proton is released from this orthomethoxyphenol, yes, orthomethoxyphenoxide ion is going to get formed like this. Now, guys, what is happening here? This bonded pair of electron are shifted over here. Done. This bonded pair of electron are shifted over here, which in return will shift this bonded pair of electron over this carbon, which is present adjacent to the negatively charged oxygen. Done. As a result, what is going to happen? There would be a double bond over here, guys. There would be a partial positive charge develop over here. Then, guys, the main culprit over here is the development of a negative charge on this carbon. Now, you can see that these two negative charges are present adjacent to each other, adjacent to each other. Therefore, what is happening here? It is going to destabilize it. It is going to destabilize it. Destabilize the structure, or destabilize the anionic structure. Clear? Clear? Done? Just let me erase this for a bit. It is going to destabilize the anionic structure so formed. So guys, because of the plus M effect being shown by methoxy group, the ion so formed, orthomethoxyphenoxide ion, becomes, yes guys, it becomes less stable. Or you can say in this case the density, electron density guys, electron density between the OH bond increases due to plus M effect of methoxy group, whereas electron density between these two OH is actually going to what? It is actually going to decrease guys. Therefore this facilitates the release of proton easily. Whereas in this case, the methoxy group decreases the electron, I mean increases guys, plus M effect, it shows plus M effect. So it increases the electron density between this, and because of that, the proton is not easily released from here. So guys, in comparison, the two, this is the reason that orthomethoxyphenol is less acidic than orthonitrophenol, or orthonitrophenol is more acidic than ortho, yes, methoxyphenol. Clear, guys? Clear? Come on. Now the next one, guys, explain how does the OH group attached to a carbon of benzene ring activate it towards electrophilic substitution reaction. Guys, OH group. Come on, OH group. What type of group OH group are? They are going to have plus M effect because of the lone pair present on oxygen. Done, guys. And guys, this is going to actually, yes, because plus M effect, so it shows plus M effect guys, and because of that this lone pair electron, out of the two lone pair electron on oxygen present, one of the lone pair is in resonance with the pi bond of the benzene ring. Okay, let us see how. Come on guys, these lone pair will get shifted over this bond, that will result the shifting of this bond over here, that will finally going to result a negative charge developed at this ortho position, and a positive charge with a double bond with a carbon develops at oxygen. This in return will shift at this particular bond, which further will shift at this position. Done. Then there would be a negative charge developed over here, pi bond here. This in return going to get shift over here. This will shift over here, guys. That will develop a negative charge at this position. Done. Guys, this will return back to this one. Okay, this will shift over here, this will return back to this oxygen, and final resonating structure will be this one. So guys, this is first, this one is second, this one is third, this one is fourth, this one is fifth. Remember guys, 1 and 5 are equivalent, 2 and 4 are equivalent. Okay guys, so 2 and 4, so there are three different type of resonating structures over here. Now guys, it is very clear from here that in all the cases it is all resulting, the plus M effect shown by OH group on the benzene ring is going to create a more electron density at ortho position and also at para position. So the resonance hybrid of all the resonating structure can actually be written as pi bond will be shown by the dotted line. Done. Now OH will be this one. There would be a partial positive charge, there would be a partial double bond, and at ortho and para position, electron densities are present at ortho and para position. All clear? So guys, it is going to attract the electrophiles at this one, at ortho and para position. That means the presence of OH is going to make the benzene ring ortho and para directing. Guys, it is going to attract the electrophiles. So it is ortho and para directing for the electrophiles, which are actually electrophiles are the species which are in search of electron. And it is very clear from here that presence of OH group is enhancing what electron densities at ortho and para position. Therefore this OH groups or such groups which are having property to show plus M effect are known to show or have ortho para directing nature. So guys, OH group attached to a carbon of benzene ring is going to activate it towards electrophilic substitution at its ortho and para position. And why is that? Come on, all these resonating structures are telling you the reason for the same. Done. Guys, it is very clear from the resonance hybrid that there is a much electron density present at ortho position as well as at the para position. And that is the reason it is going to attract the electrophile, or simply in organic chemistry language, you can see it is going to make the benzene ring activating, yes, towards the electrophilic substitution, ortho and para directing. So OH group or any group which are known to show plus same effect are basically ortho and para directing in nature. Done. Have a look at the screen now. Now the next question on the screen, guys, give a reason for the higher boiling point of ethanol in comparison to methoxymethane. Guys, guys, have a look at the screen. We have already discussed such question, guys. Come on. If you compare, like earlier we had compared this boiling point of alcohol with that of hydrocarbon. Now in this case, we are comparing this with that of ethers, methoxymethane, because guys, oxygen is here. You can think the question can be arised like oxygen is present in both the cases. Then why hydrogen bond is present in case of ethanol whereas it is not present in case of ether? Tell me. Guys, there are two bulky group present over here. Okay, because of that this ether cannot get attached to other hydrogen in the form of hydrogen bond. Okay, it cannot get attracted to other hydrogen, so that there is no hydrogen bonding in case of ether. Whereas guys, there is intramolecular hydrogen bonding in case of alcohol, in case of ethanol, in case of propanol, which is going to increase the boiling point further because more energy is required to break this intermolecular hydrogen bond over here in order to separate the molecule further. Whereas such hydrogen bonding association are not present in case of hydrogen bonding are not present in case of ether. There is only simply the molecules are attracted towards each other, or you can say the intermolecular force of attraction is simply present over there, is nothing but van der Waals force of attraction, which is much weaker than that of the hydrogen bond. Done, guys. This is the reason that alcohol or here ethanol are having more boiling point in comparison to the ethers. I hope it is all clear to you. Smart steps straight away gone here, guys. Come on. Do you know this, guys? Have you heard about it? Guys, this is all about Unacademy Combat. Guys, time has come for the second Unacademy Combat on this coming Sunday, that is on December 13, 2020. Guys, the first Unacademy Combat was held on 29th of November. The second one is going to be held this Sunday, that is 13th of December 2020. Come on, guys, this is India's largest fortnightly competition for NEET UG. You're going to get best questions by best Unacademy educators. Yes, guys, it is going to be very challenging. Guys, very challenging. You'll be getting very challenging questions curated by best Unacademy educators. You'll be having questions guaranteed to keep the test engaging, challenging, and of course, a lot of fun loving. Come on, guys, you will have the pattern simply similar to that what you are going to have in NEET. So you can see, you can have a clear-cut idea that this Unacademy Combat, this paper is going to be a replica of what you are going to have in NEET. Come on, guys, you will be having super fast and fun with real time rankings, and this will make you see how you rank against other with a live leaderboard after every question. Come on, guys, come on. You will get a chance to compete with the best You will able to know where you stand amongst all other contestants. You will get your performance in the leaderboard like this as it is shown on the screen. You'll be getting your rating, you'll be getting your scoring, you'll be getting your ranking, you'll be getting your accuracy, which is really very very important in order to ensure your every success, guys. Come on, have a look at the screen, guys. Soon after the contest get over, you'll be getting a detailed video solution by top educators. Come on, guys, you will, so that you can have an in-depth video, I mean in-depth analysis of the paper, so that you have a proper idea about the topic from which the questions have been asked. Come on, guys, you are going to get your leaderboard in the form of this, guys, where you will be getting, yes, your guys, you can say your level in five different categories. It is going to be categorized. The first one will be for beginner, the second one for novice, then third category is for expert, then for master, and the last for legend. Okay, guys, and gradually, trust me, many of you guys are going to improve. Even if you start as a beginner, you will end up as a legend, trust me. But you need to be a consistent hard worker. So guys, so because the theme of an academy combat is to make you compete, is to make you crack, is to make you conquer. And remember your scores, guys, your scores will be for speed and accuracy. It is going to give a clear cut idea about your negative score as well, so that you can prepare yourself for, yes, for every thick and thin, guys. For the final examination, it is going to make you wonderfully prepared. You'll be getting your rating. You are not only that, guys, you are also going to get, yes, guys, you are also going to get amazing awards. Let me tell you about that. Come on, guys, come on, this is going to make you compete with the best, and it is going to make you win amazing prizes. The first prize is Apple MacBook Air, the second one is Apple iPad Mini, the third one is Apple AirPod. And remember, the top 100 rankers are going to get rupees 1000 Amazon vouchers. So, guys, the first contest was held on November 29. The second one is going to held this Sunday, that is 13th of December, sharp at 11 a.m. Timings are going to remain same. Remember, this is going to happen separately for class 11, separately for class 12, and also separately for 13. This is going to start sharp at 11. It will continue till 1 hour. Okay, guys, with a gap of 5 minutes. Therefore, though the actual duration of the test is 45 minutes, but it will end up after an hour, because you are going to get a break of 5 minutes between each round. Come on, guys, you'll be having 4 rounds, and each round are going to have questions. Almost 7 questions will be there in each round. And every round will be for, guys, first round is going to be for zoology, then second one is for botany, the third one is for physics, and the last one is for chemistry. You will also get a negative score for incorrect answer. Don't forget to apply this referral code of mine, S810, guys. Okay, come on, have a look at the screen, guys. Yes, the contest format is going to be, guys, this is all for 60 minutes. You will be having 7 questions in each round, so total 4 rounds, so has to be 28 questions. Remember, guys, if you are a student of class 11 or a student of class 12 or a student of 13, you need to apply for the contest separately. Come on, guys, if you are not doing that, you will not able to get a proper idea about your preparation, because the main aim of this an academy combat is to, is to enlighten your confidence even more, and is to make you realize about your level of preparation on the very day of the contest. Okay, guys, so it would be better if you apply it for the class in which you are actually in. Then, guys, there would be total 4 questions, I mean section. The first one will be for botany, second one will be for zoology, the third one will be for physics, and the last one will be for chemistry. It is going to give you a clear cut idea about your NEET scoring, and it is going to happen on every 15th day of the month. Yes, guys, that is fortnightly contest. It is going to happen on every alternate Sunday. So, guys, soon after you register yourself for the Unacademy Combat, you will get your syllabus in this form. This is just the example, guys. you will have your syllabus differently for the combat, don't worry. But remember, don't forget to register separately for class 11 if you are in class 11. Separately go for class 12 if you are in class 12. Go for 13 if you are in 13. And don't forget to invite my referral code SA10 in order to have so many things for free. Come on guys, all those who are going to apply my referral code SA10 in order to register for the Unacademy Combat will get lot of benefits, guys. For example, not only I'm going to help them for their Unacademy Combat syllabus personally, guys, they will also get, yes, free notes, guys, notes in the form of PDF for complete chemistry, guys, purely in Hindi, purely in English, and also in English. Along with that, they will be getting frequently asked you doubts video on complete chemistry. And yes, guys, the list is not ending there. You will also get a video on practicals along with the expected Viva question. And this is specially, yes, guys, this is specially for the Viva and practical, especially for all those who are going to appear for their board examination. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot for giving your time over here. Come on, I just want to make you remind about the prizes once again so that you don't delay any longer in order to register yourself for Unacademy Combat, guys. The second Unacademy Combat, which is going to take place on this coming Sunday, that is 13th of December. Don't delay any longer. Yes, yes, yes. Do register, do enroll yourself, and don't forget to invite my referral code, guys, SA10. Yes, guys, I'm going to remind you about the prizes once again. The first prize is all about Apple MacBook Air. The second one is Apple iPad Mini. The third one is Apple AirPod. And top 100 rankers are going to get rupees 1000 Amazon vouchers, guys. Okay, I know this is going to make you laugh because this Apple, Apple, and Apple a day makes, yes, makes doctors awake. Guys, makes you are doctors, guys. You are required by each. You should be required by everyone, not for something bad, for something good as well. Okay, doctors, they say na, an apple a day keep doctors away. So here, an apple a day are going to make the doctors awake for studying more. Remember, just imagine this apple is going to have, like you are going to have it in your hand. What is going to happen? You won't sleep any longer. You will study more and more. That is the reason I'm saying an apple a day will keep the doctors awake. You all are future doctors, guys. You'll be kept yourself. I mean, it is going to help you to keep yourself awake. Okay, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Come on, have a look at the screen, guys. The final bye bye is there. But guys, have a look at the screen. Can you see something over here? SA10. Guys, this is my referral code. Don't forget to invite me. Yes, guys, don't forget to invite this code of mine, guys. Yes, if you are inviting this code of mine, that means you are inviting me to help you for Unacademy Combat, to help you to give all those notes for free, all those video for free. Yes, guys. And all those who are watching the channel for the first time have not subscribed the channel. Let's crack NEET UG in English. Do subscribe the channel. Do press the bell icon in order to have further notification. And if you have not liked the video so far, do like the video. Don't forget to use this referral code of mine SA10. Thanks a lot for watching and have wonderful studies. All the very best. Do register yourself for Unacademy Combat now. Bye bye, guys. All the very best. See you in the next session.